Hello, it's Mandy. Today's little foodie education activity is about apples. We're going to make apple crumble. Yum! Before we start, we need to make sure that we've washed our hands. Have you done that? Brilliant. Let's get down to our stations and see what ingredients and utensils we need to make our apple crumbles today. Let's go. All right, we're down in our station and these are all the things we've got. We've got apple here. This is cooked. It can be canned apple as well. We've got some cinnamon. We've got some honey. We've got some flour. And we've got some ingredients for the crumble. I've got buckwheat groats, coconut, oats, chia seeds, and butter. What we need, and then for our equipment, we've got the 2 patty cases. We've got a kid-friendly knife and a spoon. Let's go. First, we're going to cut our apple up. We need to use our tiger claw so we can saw and not chop off our fingers. Tiger claw and saw. Tiger claw and saw. Tiger claw, saw. Tiger claw, saw. Tiger claw, saw. Pop our knife down. Get our patty cases. Pick it up, it's very wet and slimy. And pop that in the base. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good one. Now we're going to make the crumble part. We need to put all our ingredients in there. So you can choose what you would like. I'm using these ones today. A teaspoon, a teaspoon, a teaspoon. They're all different shapes and sizes. How beautiful. And then our butter. We'll also put a wee sprinkle of cinnamon in there. And then we're going to massage this together with our fingers. You can use your 4 fingers there like this to pinch, or this, and massage it in. Your hands will get a bit sticky and will get a bit mucky, but it really is quite lovely. Massage, massage, massage. Mix, mix, mix. I'm making apple crumble. It will be delish. Oh, lovely. I've got a nice crumble texture there. And my hands are a little bit dirty, but don't worry. You can wash them later. You can see here I've got about that much there, and I'm going to evenly pop it out onto my 2 little crumbles. And that will melt and cook off into a lovely crumble on top when we pop it in the oven. Beautiful. You can go and give your fingers a little bit of a wipe if they're feeling a little bit mucky for you. I'm just doing that on a tea towel, but you could have a little wet cloth there. Then we're going to get our honey, and you could have a squeezy honey, which might be easier if you're with a class, or you could get a little bit of honey here. Just a wee little bit. Probably only half a teaspoon per one. Drizzle that around. And drizzle that around. And that will melt into our crumble just to give a little bit of, I love honey. A little bit of extra sweetness and texture to the flavor. All right, we're going to put that on a baking tray and into the oven. All right, we've pulled these babies out of the oven and just let them cool for a little bit. So then we can easily take them out. It's nice and hard on top. And then you can scoop in here. Oh, yum. I'm gonna eat some. Mmm. I can taste the cinnamon. Yummy. Enjoy.